All right, we're looking at number 20 and 21 for your final review. It says simplify the product using the box method or FOIL. I'm going to use the box for both. If you like FOIL, that's okay, but I'm going to do the box method. So remember to set up your box method. You need a box as big as your two binomials. I'm going to put the first one on top. So we have 3h minus 7. And then the second one I'm going to put down the side, 3h minus 6. If you flip-flop that order, you should still get the same answer. And then we're going to multiply. So I'm going to do 3h times 3h gives me 9h squared. 3 times negative 7 gives me a negative 21h. 3 times negative 6 gives me a negative 18h. And then negative 6 times negative 7 is a positive 42. 21, 42, yep. And then I'm just going to rewrite whatever I have. So I know I have 9h squared minus 21h minus 18h plus 42. And we're going to put together the things that are the same. So I know I have a 9h squared. And then I notice we have a negative 21h and a negative 18h. If I put those together, I get negative 39h plus 42. And that would be my final answer. All right, for the second one, we're doing the same thing. Set up your box. We have negative 4h plus 2 and 3h plus 7. If I do 3h times negative 4h, I get negative 12h squared. Let's make that look like a 2. If I do 3h times 2, I get a 6h. 7 times negative 4 gives me a negative 28h. And then 7 times 2 gives me 14. Again, I'm just going to rewrite everything. So I have negative 12h squared plus 6h minus 28h plus 14. We're going to combine the things that look the same. So I still have my negative 12h squared out front. If I do 6 minus 28, I get a negative 22h, and then plus 14 as my final answer. And that is how you use the box method.